Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So it's spring break and it's a very rainy day today, and I really want to get ahead in all of my classes before spring break starts. I'm not behind or anything, but I just want to have some free time once the semester starts so that I can focus on other things that I have planned for myself. And the vibe is so good today because it's windy and it's about to rain, and it looks like a nice opportunity to be productive. I was thinking of going to the library at first, but seeing the weather, I decided to just stay in my room and study for a bit. And later on, if it gets better, I'll go to the library. So, since I'm self-studying today and I actually do not have any homework, I am very excited because I'm going to choose myself what I'm going to self-study to get ahead in classes. So this is my homepage on the ASU website, and it has all the courses that I'm enrolled in for this semester, and I'm just gonna go through all of them one by one and see what chapters are we gonna do in all of my courses. So currently I'm taking accounting, anthropology, business statistics, my tarot reading class, a marketing class which I finished just last week, and I have a sociology class which is gonna be a B session. So I'm just gonna write everything that I'm gonna do as I go by them and make a to-do list for today. I still like to write it on paper so that I can see it in front of me even while I'm studying, and I can just check them off as I'm done with them. So let's begin. It has started raining outside and it's gotten so dark outside. To-do list, I do not have a lot of things to do because a lot of professors have literally not posted anything. Like, I decided to read the module slides for my anthropology class earlier, but our professor has not uploaded them yet, so cannot do that. But I've got to work for my accounting class, my math class, my business statistics one, and my tarot reading class. So these are the only things that I can work on right now, and all of them are due at the end of next week, so might as well start them right now. So I just completed my accounting homework, and now I'm gonna have lunch before I start with my math and my tarot reading homework. But it was so nice just getting done with my assignments earlier than usual, and of course, the weather is lovely, so it made doing the homework much more enjoyable. So it's the next day, and I know you guys might be really confused, but something came up yesterday and I could not film for the rest of the day. So I decided to complete the rest of my to-do list today instead of yesterday because I got so busy. But I'm going to continue it today, and I'm also going to film it. So it's not a rainy day anymore. It's very sunny outside. But I'm still gonna study, so it's gonna be a good study with me. So I've just completed my homework for my statistics. I got one question wrong and it was worth a lot of points, and I'm still trying to figure out what the actual answer is, so that I can get to 100%. But yeah, it's just, I don't know, that question is too difficult, but I'm still gonna keep trying, and let's see. I'll let you know that you're my only one. I know you're